Hey guys, welcome to Negosyo Lang Tayo Business Tip. Tip number 1, keep your capital low at the start. Many small businesses fail because owners invest too much at the beginning. Tulad nga ng sinabi, don't put all of your eggs in one basket. Many businesses owners fail because nilalagay agad nila lahat ng mga ipon nila, lahat ng mga pera nila sa isang business lang. You need to start small. You need to approach it small. First, you need to start with 20 to 50,000 capital just to test the market out. You need to validate the demand, kung meron bang bumibili, meron bang walk-ins, meron bang customer. Then, kapag na-validate nyo na, yes, may bumibili, yes, may potential, yes, may customers, and yes, gusto nila yung product nyo, you can then expand but slowly. Okay? Again, slowly lang. Okay? Many successful entrepreneurs start with very small setup first. Again, you don't need to rush things. You don't need to start extravagant. You don't need to start big. You just need to start slow, validate everything, be sure of your market, be sure of your product, and then when you start expanding slowly, hindi nyo na mamamalayan, malaki na yung negosyo nyo. Follow for more.